Welcome to the dormitories of Polotsk State University of Polotsk, your home during the studies. Each dormitory is a great choice for comfortable and active student life. Polotsk State University of Polotsk offers comfortable dormitories that were created with care and attention to each student. 7 dormitories, 7 spots of comfort. It's convenient and beneficial. To spend time with friends and relax after a busy day, there are special lounge areas available. In addition, the dormitories are provided with study rooms where you can get prepared for classes, read, and work on projects. We are happy to see students not only from Belarus, but also from abroad. It is the perfect place to broaden your outlook, meet different cultures, make friends, and improve your language skills. Polotsk State University of Polotsk is the university of 2 cities, Polotsk and Novopolotsk. A convenient public transport system allows you to move quickly between dormitories and campuses, within the city and between cities. The advantages of living in our dormitories are not only in their facilities, but also in the developed urban infrastructure. It includes banks, terminals, restaurants, shopping centers, shops, pharmacies, parks and gyms. The Ice Palace, swimming pool, and city hospital are all situated near the university. We provide you with everything you need to maintain good physical fitness, entertainment, meetings, and communication at any time. In Polotsk State University of Polotsk dormitories, everyone feels at home. Study well, live with comfort.